Hello, my name is Professor Dr. Viprakasit. I'm the CEO of Urine Company and also the medical advisor for the Pregnancy Hospital Rama 2. Sexually transmitted diseases is a very important condition and it can lead to several future long-term complications. Sexually transmitted diseases or the STD can be caused by several organisms, bacteria and viruses. And one of the very important viruses that lead to a long-term complication is a virus called the human papilloma virus or the HPV. Why it is very important? Because from the research study, the HPV infection can link to the cervical cancer or vaginal cancer in female, and also even in the male, especially in the man who has sex with men, leading to the carcinoma of the penis and the genital part. Detection of the HPV infection used to be very difficult. In the past, the only way that we can detect the HPV infection is by doing what we call the vaginal exam in female. And of course, that includes several procedures that most of the female, especially in Thailand and in Asian countries, find to be very uncomfortable. But now with the DNA technology, we can detect the HPV virus in the urine. We call HPV urine DNA detection. So by using the advanced molecular biology, we can amplify and increase the signal of the HPV DNA in the urine after collection, and we can detect over 21 different genotypes of the HPV virus, especially the 16, 18, and 35, which is a very important genotype of the HPV that have been associated with a significant increased risk of carcinoma of the cervix and also other cancer at the genital part as well. So instead of doing the vaginal exam, now we can screen for the HPV infection very easily by the urine exam. And of course, we can do this in male and also in the female. And in those who have a positive result from the urine screening, we can recommend them for a further procedure that can confirm the infection more appropriately. In order to correct the urine sample, we recommend that you correct the urine, the first voiding urine in the morning with the 30 milliliter of the urine in a special container that we provide. And after that, the urine will be sent to the laboratory and we will perform the genetic DNA testing for the virus. Normally, the result will return within 5 to 7 days. And after the result, if the results show that you got a positive HPV infection, we would recommend you for the further test for a confirmation. This urine HPV test can be repeated every 6 months. Of course, you can start to do this testing if you have your sexual partner, or if you change your sexual partner, you have to be repeating this test again. The urine HPV test has been studied in several leading centers in Thailand and also internationally. And it has been shown that it has over 98% of the specificity and 99% sensitivity compared to the standard testing. And the urine HPV testing can lead to a long-term prevention of these very nasty malignancy in the genitalia. Why don't you do it today in order to prevent your future?